How to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Phantom Wallet app on your device. You need to first authenticate with your biometrics and then you need to tap the send button at top right corner of the screen. Now simply select the cryptocurrency you want to send, example Ethereum, Solana or Bitcoin. Once done, since Phantom Wallet does not support direct withdrawals to a bank account, you'll need a third party exchange like Binance or another platform. Open the exchange and you have to go to deposit option. Select the same coin you are transferring. Copy the deposit wallet address provided by the exchange and paste this address in your Phantom Wallet send section. Double check the address to avoid errors, and you can start with a small test transaction to verify everything works correctly. Once confirmed, proceed to send the larger amount to the exchange. After the funds arrive in the exchange, navigate to the P2P trading section. Select the cryptocurrency you received and choose sale. Opt for a payment method like a bank transfer, and you can choose transfer or trading offering a favorable rate. Enter the amount you want to sell and provide your bank details. You can click place order and ensure you read the terms and conditions, including the accepted transfer time, and wait for payment to arrive in your bank account. So that is how we withdraw money from Phantom Wallet. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.